Okay, we kind of sort of broke the fridge, and now Kanan's gonna show us how to fix it. All right, come on, Kanan.
Yeah, Kanan. All right. First, it's broken. See, completely broken. You take all the objects out of it. You can't forget the little packages of juice. You have to take it out completely. Empty it of any other substances. Thank you. And you see, it's not quite fixed. You take the syrup bottle that was in it. Sorry about that, folks. Some technical difficulties. You bang it gently but firmly.
Gently but firmly.
And then you put all the extra objects that was in it back in it, including the juices.
You're the juices.
And it's good.
What the fuck?
Say bye, Kanan.
Why?
Say bye, Kanan.
Oh.